Hey guys, and welcome back to Bee's Kitchen. I hope everyone is keeping safe and everyone is doing well. If you are new to this YouTube channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It is free. Guys, I always say my recipes are simple, but I'm telling you, today's recipe is extremely simple. It is chili garlic butter prawns. If you are hosting any dinner parties or you just want to wine and dine yourself at home, make this one of your starters, especially with some bread to soak up all the delicious juices from the sauce, which is garlicky, buttery with a hint of chili. Stay with me and let's get started. For this recipe, I will be using the following ingredients. I have some frozen king prawns, which I'll place in water and allow it to thaw before I deshell and devein. I also have some finely chopped chilies. I have Lurpak Garlic Butter. I have minced garlic, jumbo crayfish flavouring stock, smoked paprika, parsley for garnishing, and lemon slice for garnishing. I will list everything in the description below. I've placed the king prawns in water and they have completely thawed. Now I'm going to deshell and also devein the king prawns. Using my kitchen scissors, I am going to make an incision at the back of the king prawns. This will make it easier to remove the dirt sac. If you don't have kitchen scissors, go ahead and use your hands to firstly remove the shell, and then you can make an incision at the back of the prawn and proceed to remove the dirt sac. I decided to keep the head of the prawns on because not only is it packed with flavors when it's cooked, it is also rich in antioxidants. However, if you don't like the head of the prawns, feel free to discard this, or you can keep it aside and use it as stock. I am now going to add the butter to my pan. I will allow the butter to melt before I add the garlic and the chilies. Now to my butter, I am going to add the minced garlic and I'll allow the garlic to infuse in the butter for about 2 minutes. Next, I will be adding the chilies and the smoked paprika, which I will also allow this to infuse in the garlic butter for an additional 2 minutes. Now, time to season the sauce using my favorite seasoning, which is a jumbo crayfish flavouring stock. If you don't have the seasoning, feel free to use salt. It works perfectly. I am now going to add the prawns and I'm going to stir well until the prawns are pink and cooked through. This should take about 4 to 5 minutes. And the chili garlic butter prawns is ready. Guys, I know some of you are probably hosting dinner parties, and I'm telling you, I will use this as a starter. Just make sure you have bread on deck to soak up all the delicious garlicky, buttery juices from this garlic butter prawns, because I cannot wait to dig in. Thank you for joining me, guys, and I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please don't forget to like this video, share this video, comment below if you have any questions, subscribe to this channel and turn on your bell notification icon. And I'll see you next time. Bye!